Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today again we will return back to discussion of the euro currency because other currencies that we're tracking do not need any update right now. On the Japanese yen, as we said yesterday, target mostly has been hit that we have specified in our researches, and we have tracked this trade for maybe some weeks probably, because if you remember, we have traded the large bearish engulfing pattern on the monthly chart. That's why it was rather extended action that lasts for a month approximately. So yes, the market has hit the target. On the Great British Pound, now we see a retracement that we have discussed yesterday. So market shows gradual bounce down. It's nothing really special there. That's why maybe it makes sense to take a look at the euro currency. Actually, today hardly we will see a lot of action because, you know, some markets are closed on the Good Friday. So, for example, United States Treasuries market is closed, and some other markets in the United States. So that's why hardly any significant action will happen today, except only if some geopolitical event will happen. Also, we get some statistics today, but as I said, reaction probably will be mild. On the euro currency, we said that market could show some bounce as it stands right now at the support line, but taking into consideration overall picture that we see and scenario that we have discussed in our weekly research, we need to see that this bounce is a short term and very small. So right now you can see market mostly confirms this idea. So based on the rhetoric of the Donald Trump when he said that United States dollar looks too strong, market has shown this upward spike, but yesterday it has dropped back down to the trend line. And in general, this agrees with the idea that we have discussed. So, since we expect downward continuation, the next target will be approximately 10460 area. As market has broken through the confidence support, smaller than on the confidence and around the monthly pivot point. On the confidence support, as you can see, market hasn't shown any significant reaction, so just flat action and breakout. By this splash, market also has confirmed the idea that markets very often retest the confidence areas when it was broken without no significant response. So when the market just pressed this level down now without no bounces, something, or just has broken through it without no signs of respect. In this case, very often market a bit later returns back to the confidence areas and retest it and then continue action to the downside. So something of that sort we see right now, but still we need to get the final sign that market indeed is ready to continue move down. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, market mostly holds our suggestion that we said it will be perfect if market will stop retracement either on the weekly pivot point or around weekly pivot resistance 1 and our confidence level. Here was also the single level, but it has been broken. As you can see, market wasn't able to break this consolidation up, so actually it has moved inside it. But right now, as you can see, upward breakout hasn't happened and market is dropping lower, so moving out from this consolidation. And this is a good sign for a possible downward continuation. All in all, on the hourly chart, guys, we probably could keep an eye on this widening wedge pattern. And this watching will be rather simple. Why? Because just watch for the bars. If market will drop here, will break this trend line to the downside, it will mean that downward breakout has happened. Market is continuing to move lower. Besides, market right now stands not only on the lower border of this wedge, but also on the trend line. So this breakout will be simultaneous. Okay? If market, by some reasons, I don't know what reasons could be, it will return right back up, and will break this consolidation and this top to the upside, this will mean that we will get some stronger upward retracement on the daily chart. Maybe some kind of the ABCD pattern or something of that sort. This will not break overall bearish setup that we have here, but it will just postpone the possible downward continuation. So that's the major point that we should keep an eye on. So if breakout will happen today, it will mean that market will continue dropping, and next stop will be probably around 105.50. Since this is the fib support, where this market could take some pause in downward action. It's probably here, maybe market could form some kind of the butterfly. If you measure the extensions, probably 127 will stand around 105.50. Right, so you can see it's 127 extension, so my market maybe will take the shape of the butterfly or something on the intraday charts. This is possible. So that could become the left wing of the butterfly. Market will show some minor bounce here. It could become right wing, something of that sort. I'm not sure that definitely will happen, but it's one of the possible scenarios. But the major tool that we should use is, of course, the trend line. So downward breakout will mean downward continuation on the daily chart.